Hello students, here we are solving a question which is based on the topic of work, power and energy. The question here is find the work done by a force F is equals to 2I cap minus 3J cap plus K cap when its point of application moves from point A 1 to minus 3 to point B 2 0 minus 5. So first we see what is given to us. Given is force that is applied is equals to 2I cap minus 3J cap plus K cap. Initial position is given by coordinates of A, that is 1, 2, minus 3, and final position is given by point B, which is equals to 2, 0, minus 5. So now we see the solution. Now since A is the initial point, so initial position vector will be equals to I cap plus 2J cap minus 3K cap, and B is the final point, so the final position vector, this is initial position vector. Final position vector will be according to coordinates 2I cap plus 0J cap minus 5K cap. This is final position vector. Formula for work done is equals to force into displacement. And the displacement vector is final position vector minus initial position vector. So what will be the final position vector, displacement vector, that is equals to 2I cap plus 0J cap minus 5K cap minus I cap plus 2J cap minus 3K cap. On solving this, we get I cap minus 2J cap minus 2K cap. This is the displacement vector. Now we calculate work done. So work done is equals to force dot displacement, that will be written as force is given to us is 2I cap minus 3J cap plus K cap dot I cap minus 2J cap minus 2K cap. Now we know that I dot I is 1, J dot J is 1, K dot K is 1, but rest I dot J, I dot K, J dot K, J dot I are all zeros. Therefore this will be I dot I 2 into 1, 2, minus minus plus, J dot J is 1, 3 2s are 6, plus into minus minus 2, K dot K 1. So on solving this, we get work done is equals to 6 joule. Now what is our answer? Work done by the force is equals to 6 joule. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.